Our next entry is of 27 January 2020, and it says one Corolla windscreen damaged during loading and unloading at the rate of 12,000. So this is an inventory adjustment, right? So I'll go to PeachTree. Now this inventory adjustment option can be used for stock counts whenever you feel that the stock is more or less than the physical count, it doesn't match, so you can adjust that. And as well as for these kind of damages, if you want to adjust, you can also do that. So anyways, inventory and services, I'll go to inventory adjustments. Now in inventory adjustments, one Corolla windscreen is damaged, so I'll select Corolla windscreen, mention any reference number. Now it shows new quantity and current quantity of 40. That's because I didn't change the date yet. So I'll set the date to 28th of January. So it shows 82 now. If I set it to 31st, yeah, 82, it shows 82. Now, GL source account is loss of inventory. Right now it's selected on cost of sales, but I'll select the appropriate account. Repair, maintenance, mortgage. Now I didn't find any suitable account. I can create a new one on 8595. So let's create a new one. 8595, and this is loss of inventory, and change it to expense. Save and close. Now select loss of inventory. Now unit cost is 12,000. I need to adjust quantity with -1, and reason to adjust it is damaged inventory. And then save it. So this is how we make inventory adjustments of loss in PeachTree. Now don't worry if you see a different quantity besides 82, we will adjust it in the final reconciliation of trial balance and balance sheet and income statement when we are done with the assignment.